Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Power, position and plans, none of them matter when death arrives unannounced. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar's sudden demise today is a stark reminder that harsh reality, that life is just so fickle. The aircraft carrying Ajit Pawar and 4 others went down near the Baramati airport in Pune district while trying to land. He was traveling from Mumbai to address multiple rallies in Pune ahead of the February 5 Zilla Parishad elections. The others killed in this tragedy were Captain Sumit Kapoor, who had a flying experience of 15,000 hours, co-pilot Captain Shambhavi Pathak from Delhi, who had 1,500 hours of flying experience, personal security officer Vidip Jadhav, and flight attendant Pinky Mali. The aircraft, a Learjet 45, was cleared for landing after a go-around due to poor visibility at 8:30 this morning. But having finally received a clearance, it did not give any read back to the ATC and moments later burst into flames on the edge of the runway. At this hour, the focus is on answers. Was it technical failure, adverse weather, human error, or a combination of all of these factors? The DGCA, accident investigation teams, and multiple central agencies have launched parallel probes to reconstruct the final moments before impact. But even as investigations begin, India mourns a political heavyweight, a mass leader, and a powerful administrator who shaped Maharashtra's politics for decades. Tributes are pouring in from across the political spectrum. And even as we speak, at the Baramati site where his mortal remains have been kept, there is a sea of supporters there. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed deep sorrow, remembering Ajit Pawar as a dedicated public servant who devoted his life to the people and calling his death an irreparable loss to the nation.
आज का दिन हमारे लिए एक बड़ा दुख लेकर भी आया है। अजीत दादा ने महाराष्ट्र और देश के विकास में अपना बड़ा योगदान दिया है। विशेष रूप से गांवों के जीवन को बेहतर बनाने के लिए उन्होंने हमेशा आगे बढ़कर काम किया।
बहुत दुखद घटना है, तो इसके ऊपर और जानकारी हमें मिलनी चाहिए। इन्वेस्टिगेशन पूरी तरह से ट्रांसपेरेंट और अकाउंटेबल वे में हम करेंगे।
Very experienced pilot, more than 16,000 hours of experience. The co-pilot was also 15,000 hours.
Okay.
Yeah. 1,500 hours.
Okay.
The aircraft was very well maintained. There was absolutely no problem in the aircraft. There was no technical failure in the aircraft.
The investigations have barely begun, but the opposition has already jumped to politically convenient conclusions. The conspiracy brigade is out in full force, led by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. The TMC chief has insinuated foul play, demanded a Supreme Court monitored probe, and claimed that the timing of the crash raises serious questions. She has linked the tragedy to reports suggesting Ajit Pawar was considering leaving the NDA and has single-handedly turned a national tragedy into a political talking point.
There is no safety and security of the people of this country. Even the political leaders, I do not know what is the fate of the opposition political parties, but we were very much with the ruling party. But before 2 days ago, I came to know that from social network that somebody from other party, they gave a statement that Ajit Pawar is willing to leave the BJP. And now what happened today, I need proper investigation under the supervision of Supreme Court. Only we have the trust on Supreme Court, no other agency. All the agencies are being totally purchased. And really it's a great loss for the country. Maybe he is from the opposition. Now he is from the opposition. But tomorrow he is supposed to join the original cause of their party.
Mamata's vote of no confidence in existing probe mechanisms and charges of foul play found further support from Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav to Aam Aadmi Party leaders. All added their own twist to the conspiracy theory.
बहुत बड़े नेता थे, डिप्टी सीएम कई बार रहे वो, और महाराष्ट्र के बहुत लोकप्रिय नेता रहे। और अगर ऐसी घटना हो जाए, और आज के समय पे जहां हम इतने जागरूक हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी को इतना समझते हैं चीज़ें, तो उन्होंने ठीक ही मांग की होगी। आखिरकार ऐसी जांच हो जिससे निष्पक्ष पता लगे कि आखिरकार घटना किस वजह से हुई।
जब भी कोई हादसा होता है या कोई एक्सीडेंट होता है तो एक एंगल ये भी देखा जाता है कि किसी ने कराया तो नहीं है, कोई साजिश तो नहीं है। अब ये तो इंक्वायरी के बाद ही कुछ पता चलेगा कि क्या मसला था, क्या सिर्फ एक्सीडेंट था या कोई साजिश थी।
उन्होंने भी साफ साफ कहा उस प्रचार के दौरान कि जी भाजपा के खिलाफ उनके पास सबूत है करप्शन का। 330 करोड़ के किसी घोटाले की बात कर रहे थे वो, कि कैसे 100 करोड़ रुपया उस घोटाले में भाजपा करप्शन करना चाह रही थी। और सवाल इसलिए पैदा हो रहा है कि जिस प्लेन में वो बैठे थे, जिसका क्रैश हुआ है, वो 2023 में भी एक बार दुर्घटनाग्रस्त हुआ था। तो ऐसे प्लेन में क्यों बिठाया गया उनको?
The BJP has slammed the conspiracy theories, accusing them of playing petty politics even at a time of national mourning. The party says that the DGCA is not waiting for opposition to demand an investigation. It is doing its job just anyway.
Whether somebody asks inquiry or not doesn't matter. It is going to be inquired. DGCA obviously is going to inquire such a serious. Yeah. So I don't think that they need to politicize the situation.
ये स्टेटमेंट घटिया स्टेटमेंट है, निराधार है,
क्योंकि अनस्टेबल हैं। अगर कोई स्टेबल होता, उनका जो इस टाइम मेंटल प्रेशर है जो उनका सरकार का, जो वो दिख रहा है
इस समय पर इतनी नीच बातें करना, आई थिंक ये बहुत ही, उनको भी थोड़ा तो मतलब संयम अपनाना चाहिए।
और ममता बनर्जी बोले ना बोले, इन्वेस्टिगेशन तो होता ही, इतने बड़े नेता का निधन हुआ, इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं होगा, इनके कहने के लिए बैठे रहेंगे।
But the biggest snub came from NCP founder himself, Mr. Sharad Pawar. In a clear dig at Mamta Banerjee, Pawar Sr. said that Ajit Pawar's plane crash was just an accident, completely accident, and therefore must not be politicized. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis joined the NCP Sharad Pawar chief in rejecting any talk of conspiracy.
ऐसे रास्ता नहीं, अशा प्रकारची भूमिका कृतज्ञ मानली गेली। देशात राजकारण नाही, हा निवड अपघात आहे। त्याच्या यातना महाराष्ट्राला, आम्हा सगळ्यांना सत्ताग्रस्त उभा करून इथं राजकारण आणू नये एवढं सांगायचं।
मुझे बहुत दुख है कि ममता दीदी जिस प्रकार से राजनीति में नीचे के स्तर पर जा रही है, ये अपने आप में बहुत ही दुखदाई है, बहुत ही गलत है।
And that, ladies and gentlemen, brings me to the Motorola legitimate question on the News Hour tonight, and the question that we are asking: by preemptively giving conspiracy angle to a plane crash, is the opposition looking for Aapda Mein Afsar? That's the question, and that's the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, Deepak Reddy, national spokesperson of the Telugu Desam Party, Shaina NC, national spokesperson of the Shiv Sena Shinde Group, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author and scientist, Vivek Srivastava, political analyst, Tausif Ahmed Khan, Trinamool Congress supporter, Anurag Bhadoria, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Anand Dubeji, national spokesperson of the Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray Group. But my first question goes to Mr. Somnath Bharti, former minister in the Aam Aadmi Party's government in Delhi. And Somnath Bharti ji, I want to ask you, Mamta Banerjee and then you yourself have raised the conspiracy angle. I just want to ask you, What makes you come to this conclusion so early, within hours of an air crash, within hours of 5 people losing their lives, within minutes of an incident of this, when investigation hasn't even begun, the facts really not out? How come you're coming to these conclusions of a conspiracy without any evidence, despite the fact that you are a lawyer yourself?
Navika ji, see, first of all, my sincere tribute to Ajit Pawar Saab. He was a very tall leader of Maharashtra. And deepest condolences to his family and his party people and entire Maharashtra. And even Bideep ji, Pinky ji and Sumit ji and the co-pilot Sambhavi Pachak, who was from my own constituency. And my deepest condolences to the family. It is a huge tragedy. And you know why? Because the problem is, I'll tell you from my own political experience, if somebody dies off from falling a staircase, okay, and if I take the person to the hospital, and if let's say for whatever treatment little and they couldn't bring him back, and then the hospital says nothing doing, I'll not give you the body back. Postmortem will take place. Even the family says nothing has happened, he has only fallen from a staircase. But they still says police will come, postmortem will take place, we will ascertain nothing wrong has happened with the person. Nothing wrong has been done with the person. And here is a case, you have lost a leader in a plane crash. What is the problem if we want an investigation to take place and to nullify any sabotage from the government side? There's nothing wrong in it. If you recall, Navika ji, in Ahmedabad plane crash which took place 6-8 months ago, 260 people died, including Rupani Sahab, ex-chief minister of Gujarat from BJP. Till now, after 8 months, nothing has happened. No report is out. And then there is a PIL pending in the Supreme Court alleging that the investigation was not transparent at all. And we are not coming to know of anything, how it took place and why the crash happened. So if with this in the background, and also because, Ajit Pawar Sahab, BJP had first alleged him with some 70,000 crores fraud. And then Fadnavis Sahab had said publicly that Ajit ji will chakki piecing. And then under pressure, he was forced to join the government and he was made deputy CM. And recently in the municipal elections in Maharashtra, what did he say? He termed BJP as a corrupt demon.
So that's
and
why,
he said,
so that's why the BJP has a hand in the air crash today. Is that what you're trying to say?
And then they made me deputy CM. And then let me complete just 10 seconds. And then there were news in power corridors that Pawar family is going to get united and they will take BJP head on. And just with this in the background, you were questioning the crash. Then what is the problem? The government is duty bound to come out clean on this and should prove to every citizen of the nation that there was no conspiracy.
Well,
this plane,
you have come to the conclusion of a conspiracy angle even before the first facts are out, even before you know any of the background. And Shaina NC, look at the manner in which he is extolling. Because Ajit Dada Pawar was going to leave the NDA fold, he was going to come out, he was going to merge with Sharad Pawar. Sharad Pawar hasn't said that. In fact, Sharad Pawar has contradicted, but Somnath Bharti ji and Mamata Banerjee probably know more than Sharad Pawar ji, isn't it?
Navika, I am amazed to see how low they can stoop. When Sharad Pawar has come out and given an official statement saying it has been an accident. The lesser known parties or the little that is left of the AAP party and Mamata Banerjee play conspiracy theory on a day when you should only be giving your condolences. This is a man who has spent 50 years in public life, sir. He doesn't need your certification or clean chit on any account. From being the irrigation minister to the finance minister to the deputy chief minister and 6 times deputy chief minister, let me please say, the way he has worked, even today, Navika, you know, I am his immediate neighbor. We have the same boundary wall. Even this morning, there were public outside from 6 a.m. to 7:30. He engaged with all of them, addresses his woes, and then goes to Baramati because the Jilla Parishad elections are on. There is ample fact to suggest that this was a technical error, there was low visibility. I am not sitting on judgment for 1 minute. If at all the larger question, if the AAP party and Mamata Banerjee really wanted to raise, they should have raised on the challenges for people in public life who sometimes have to go by road, sometimes by train, sometimes by helicopter, sometimes by plane, just to reach out to their electorate, the voter and the supporters. And sometimes that costs this kind of a tragedy. That is the issue. Look at how many leaders have lost life, whether it's Mr. Pilot, Mr. Scindia, Mr. Gopinath Munde, more recent YSR, Mr. Rupani, and it has all been because of either road travel or air
but there
travel.
are those who have already decided the reason, and the reason is conspiracy. और अनुराग भदौरिया जी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, अभी जो ममता बनर्जी का स्टेटमेंट आया और जिस वक्त आया, उस वक्त मैं आपको इतना बता दूं कि उनके परिवार के जन पहुंचे नहीं थे बारामती। सुनेत्रा पवार और सुप्रिया सूले जी दिल्ली में पार्लियामेंट सेशन अटेंड करने आई थी और प्लेन में थी, जा रही थी, और ममता बनर्जी ने डिसाइड कर लिया, तय कर लिया। और सिर्फ अजीत दादा पवार के परिवार यहां पर नहीं इन्वॉल्व है, 5 दूसरे लोग भी हैं, उनके भी परिवार इन्वॉल्व हैं। इस तरह का स्टेटमेंट कहना और ये कहना कि मुझे नहीं पता कि ऑपोजिशन के बाकी नेताओं का कब क्या होगा, ये क्या दर्शाता है? आप समझ रहे हैं कि सबके खिलाफ कोई इस तरह का साजिश करने के लिए सरकार बैठी हुई है? क्या इसी तरफ इशारा है? और अगर ऐसा है तो इसका एविडेंस क्या है? शुड दिस नॉट बी सीन एज डेफर्मेशन?
अजीत दादा की खबर बहुत ही दुखद, पीड़ादायक, कष्ट देने वाली है। और मैं तो यही कहूंगा, इतने बड़े नेता की जो क्षति हुई है वो तो पूरी हो नहीं सकती। इस दुख की घड़ी में उनके परिवार को हिम्मत मिले, ताकत मिले, भगवान से मैं यही कामना करता हूं। जहां तक सवाल आपका है, मैं फिर कहता हूं, जिस तरह की दुर्घटना हुई है तो हमारी पार्टी से सबने कहा कि भाई निष्पक्ष इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए, कि वेदर खराब था, टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम थी। चूंकि इतने बड़े नेता का जाना दर्द तो करता ही है, दर्द तो होता ही है। चूंकि अजीत दादा जी को मैं व्यक्तिगत रूप से जानता हूं, पारिवारिक रिश्ता है मेरा उनसे, उनके बेटे भी हमारे साथी हैं। मैं तो भागा बीच में ही आपकी डिबेट कर रहा हूं, क्योंकि वो लोग बहुत ही अच्छे और भले व्यक्ति हैं, जमीनी नेता हैं। कई बार हम लोग उनसे बोलते थे, दादा आप सीएम बन जाइए, तभी तो मुस्कुरा देते थे, लेकिन कोई जवाब नहीं देते थे। मुस्कुराहट में ही बहुत कुछ होता था, कड़वे बोल उनको आते नहीं थे। इसलिए हम भावनाओं में, क्योंकि रिश्ता होता है, पवार साहब का जितना सम्मान श्री अखिलेश यादव जी करते हैं, शायद उस परिवार का कोई इतना सम्मान करता होगा। तो दर्द और वेदना में हमने कहा कि भाई निष्पक्ष इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए। हमारा एक नेता गया है और क्या वजह थी, कैसे हुआ, किस किस प्रॉब्लम की वजह से हुआ, तो इसमें क्या बुराई है? ये तो हम मांग करेंगे ना, क्योंकि हम परिवार को अपना समझते हैं, तो हमने मांग कर ली। और वही मांग अब जब हमने की तो दूसरे नेता, बीजेपी के नेता भी कह रहे थे नहीं ऐसा है, वैसा है, वैसा ऐसा। देखिए, ये राजनीति का दिन नहीं है, ये सिर्फ इतना सा है कि वजह क्या थी जनता के सामने आनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जनता के भावनाओं से जुड़ा हुआ मामला है। ये लोगों के करीब थे।
ये बात मैं आपकी मानती हूँ कि निष्पक्ष इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए और ट्रांसपेरेंटली जनता के सामने सारी फाइंडिंग्स आनी चाहिए। मैं आपके साथ बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ, सपोर्टिंग हूँ। लेकिन आपने ममता दीदी के स्टेटमेंट पर टिप्पणी नहीं की, सही है गलत है?
ममता जी बहुत भावनाओं वाली लेडी हैं। उनको एक तकलीफ हुई है, तकलीफ में शब्द बोले जाते हैं, शब्द को पकड़ा नहीं जाता। जब आदमी तकलीफ में होता है तो उनके शब्द भावनाओं से भरे होते हैं, तो आपको भावनाएं समझनी पड़ेंगी, शब्द नहीं समझने पड़ेंगे।
अच्छा,
बहुत बार ऐसी भावनाओं में शब्दों
ममता Banerjee's statement is only out of emotions. We should not really latch on to the words, says Anurag Bhatoria. The emotions talk about not just the fact that Ajit Dada Pawar was going to leave the NDA, go and join hands back with Sharad Pawar, come to the India Alliance side. The words, the emotion, not the words, actually said that all opposition leaders face a threat because God knows what will happen. All of this was out of emotion, not really the words that were stated. Do you believe that? Or do you believe even before the family could reach the site of this tragedy, the political and the politicization had taken over?
Navika, it's absolutely clear the pathetic level what Mamata Banerjee is, dropping to. Apart from that, even the Congress MP, Gogoi, has asked for a transparent investigation. Little do these people realize that an investigation is mandatory as per law when an accident takes place. So they're really not getting much to the table by raising such things. So let me ask the India ecosystem. When the Congress was in power, both in Andhra Pradesh and in the center, then Chief Minister Rajshekar Reddy passed away. So did they do any drama then? And going back into history, looking at Sanjay Gandhi's incident, Mrs. Gandhi was the Prime Minister then. So, is this the way how they behave when an accident like this happens? And as far as the government is concerned, it's absolutely clear. AIB investigation has already been launched. The technical data has been taken. The black box is recovered. The crew and the aircraft maintenance details are also taken into custody. So here we need to look at the institution and the processes in which action is taken, and to politicize this and to taking politics to such a low level is absolutely shocking. But coming from grassroots level politics, the way I look at it is Mamata Banerjee is really desperate and she's shaken up. She doesn't see a political future in Bengal. So she wants to use anything which comes her way to probably get some political mileage. This is really pathetic and really sad that, one can drop to this level.
Tausif Khan, please respond. What was the hurry? What was this dire emergency to attribute motives to a plane crash? However shocking and sad it is, what was the real hurry to jump to such conclusions of a conspiracy angle, and not just about this plane crash, extending that conspiracy angle across opposition leaders? Why?
Navika, BJP is normalizing plane crashes. BJP is normalizing targeting of all non-BJP opposition leaders.
What utter nonsense.
What is there for BJP to hide if Mamata Banerjee has demanded
nonsense.
An independent inquiry, a probe which is supervised by the Supreme Court?
Utter nonsense.
We saw what happened in the Ahmedabad plane crash.
As if a probe doesn't happen in any case.
The cause of death is still not certain, in which the former Chief Minister of Gujarat killed in the Ahmedabad plane crash. What is the reason? What is the report? What is the finding? Mamata Banerjee has categorically said that all agencies are compromised. We trust Supreme Court, and only a probe under the supervision of Supreme Court will help us unfold the truth. So what is BJP hiding? Why are they opposing it? If Mamata Banerjee demands, if other opposition leader demands that there should be a probe on sabotage, why they do not want the investigative agency to probe on this angle? Why do they just want to blame weather? Why do they just want to blame the airport or any other employees? who gave the clearance for this aircraft? This aircraft was involved in an accident.
Your questions on the DGCA, your questions on who was certifying these planes, your questions on whether or not the pilots were certified or not, these are all valid questions which must be asked. Nobody is saying that. But to say that before these agencies can investigate the technical issues, you have decided it's a conspiracy. और मैं आनंद दुबे जी आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, ये कॉन्स्पिरेसी एंगल आया कहां से? ये कॉन्स्पिरेसी एंगल जब शरद पवार जी उस परिवार के सबसे दिग्गज नेता, उस हमारे राष्ट्र के दिग्गज नेता, महाराष्ट्र के सबसे दिग्गज नेता, वो कह रहे हैं कि ये एक हादसा था और इसमें राजनीति नहीं होनी चाहिए, लेकिन विपक्ष को तब भी लगता है कि कोई कॉन्स्पिरेसी है। इसका बेसिस क्या है?
नाविका मैम नमस्ते। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी प्रे टू गॉड टू ग्रैंड पीस टू श्री अजीत दादा पवार सोल। हम सबको ईश्वर के चरणों में नतमस्तक होकर प्रार्थना करना चाहिए कि भगवान उनकी आत्मा को शांति दे। देखिए, आज राजनीति का विषय नहीं है, आज राजनीति किसी को करनी भी नहीं चाहिए। आज उनका दुखद निधन हुआ है नविका में। महाराष्ट्र ने अपना पुत्र खोया है, जनता ने अपना नेता खोया है। बारामती से लेके मुंबई तक सभी गमगीन है। लोग बारामती की दिशा में निकल रहे हैं। कल उनका अंतिम संस्कार किया जाना है। बहुत समय मिलेगा जब हम वाद विवाद कर सकते हैं, संवाद कर सकते हैं। आज तो हम सबको यही दुख मनाना है कि इतना एक अजात शत्रु, जिनका किसी पक्ष विपक्ष से कोई मतभेद नहीं था, चाहे महाविकास आघाड़ी में रहे हों, चाहे महायुति में रहे हों, एक जैसा ही व्यवहार हमेशा रहा। हम लोगों को कई बार उनसे मिलने का मौका मिला। आदित्य ठाकरे जी के साथ कैबिनेट की मीटिंगों में हम लोग जाते थे, कुछ काम होता था तो कहते थे तो बड़े प्यार से पीठ पर हाथ थपथपा कर देते थे। सुबह 6 बजे से उठकर शाम के 10 बजे तक लोगों की सेवा करते थे। 24/7 पॉलिटिशियन थे और 6 बार उप मुख्यमंत्री रहे, 8 बार विधायक रहे, 1 बार सांसद रहे। बहुत लंबा उन्होंने किया। 66 साल की उम्र में हमारे बीच से चले गए। तो हम सबको उनके प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि प्रकट करनी चाहिए। वाद विवाद को आज के दिन कम से कम तूल नहीं देना चाहिए। आदरणीय शरद पवार साहब ने स्पष्ट रूप से कहा है कि यह एक हादसा है, इसको ज्यादा राजनीति में आप मत इन्वॉल्व करिए। तो इस विषय को यही समाप्त करना चाहिए। अब किसने क्या कहा, कैसे कहा, वो जाने, उनका काम जाने। देश की जनता जागरूक है, सब कुछ देख रही है। रामचरित मानस में एक चौपाई है नविका मैम की, सुनऊ भरत भावी प्रबल, कहऊं बिलख मुनि रात, हानि लाभ जीवन मरण, जस अपजस विधि हाथ। हमारे हाथ में नहीं है जीवन मरण। ईश्वर की क्या इच्छा है कौन जाने। उनको और समय मिलना चाहिए था सेवा करने के लिए। बहुत वो लोगों के बीच में काम करते थे, खास करके लाडली बहनों के बीच में जिस प्रकार वो लोकप्रिय थे, हम सब जानते हैं। तो ऐसे व्यक्ति विशेष के बारे में हमें 100 बार सोचना चाहिए कुछ अभद्र टिप्पणी करने के लिए या राजनीतिक बात करने के लिए। बहुत मौके आएंगे भविष्य में जब हम लोग राजनीति करेंगे, तू मैं करेंगे, विचारों की लड़ाई लड़ेंगे। बट नविका मैम, आज हम लोग बहुत दुखी हैं, दिल से कह रहे हैं। पूरा महाराष्ट्र दुखी है। पूरी रात निकालना मुश्किल होगा क्योंकि कल सुबह 11 बजे उनका अंतिम संस्कार है। पहले ये सब अच्छे से होने दीजिए, पहले थोड़ा समय दीजिए लोगों को इस दुख से उबरने का, फिर इस पर राजनीति करनी है। मैं आपकी पीड़ा समझ सकती हूँ आनंद दुबे जी, और मैं बिल्कुल संवेदनशील हूँ इस मुद्दे पर। माई ट्रिब्यूट्स टू यू फॉर फीलिंग what you are feeling for a fellow leader of Maharashtra who's no longer with us today. But Anand Ranganathan, why is everybody avoiding talking about the conspiracy theories that have been put forth? After all, Somnath Bharti ji bhi keh rahe hain, Mamata Banerjee bhi keh rahi hain, and it has come at a time when within hours and minutes of the plane crash happening, these theories have come out. Is she really wondering that there is a threat looming large on all opposition leaders? Is she really putting out there in the public domain that there is a conspiracy that is being hatched against leaders who probably may be on the cusp of leaving the NDA?
What is the message that is coming out? And, you know, are they just preempting any investigation?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. At the outset, I echo almost every word what my good friend Anand Dubey ji had said. It really is a terrible day, a very tragic news, and my sincere condolences to the families of the bereaved. I did not want to talk about politics, especially of all days today, but unfortunately, some political parties are forcing us to discuss it. Be that as it may, please remember that from where these conspiracy theories are coming from, both those parties and their leaders have graduated en masse in conspiracy theories. I mean, today when Mamata Banerjee talks about this rather distasteful conspiracy theory just minutes or hours after the accident happened, let me remind you of some of the most famous or rather infamous conspiracy theories of hers. For example, in 2012, when she arrested a professor from Jadavpur University, she said, well, it was the CPIM and Maoists in conjunction with Venezuela and other communist countries, North Korea, that were trying to assassinate her. Then in 2014, there was a short circuit in her air conditioner, and she said that people are trying to burn me. These are the communists who are doing it. And very rather infamously, she still believes that Pulwama, BJP was hand in glove with the perpetrators of the Pulwama bombing. And can I please remind my good friend Somnath Bharti, because you ran that clip in the beginning, when he's saying that why was Mr. Pawar allowed to use the same plane that developed a snag and crashed in 2023? He's completely wrong. This is what I mean. Limited knowledge can reach to dangerous conclusions. It was the same make, Learjet, but it wasn't the same plane. It's like saying that a Air India plane developed a snag 2 years ago and it's the same plane. Please, let's not peddle these rather ridiculous theories just for the sake of getting some political points, scoring some political points. But here I will say one thing, that there needs to be an investigation, not on the conspiracy theories or whatever is being insinuated by these leaders. But in fact, I would go on to say that not just Supreme Court, but our leaders should sit on this and say, how on earth is an airfield that is suspect because it does not have an ATC, it does not have live weather monitoring, it does not have live radar. Exactly what happened during the Char Dham chopper crash that killed 7 people. How on earth are prominent leaders, could be president, prime minister and chief minister, are allowed to land in a plane, not a helicopter, on those fields? Uncontrolled fields is their name. So this is something that must be investigated, and I hope that all the political dispensation come together and formulate a rule. It is simply too dangerous.
Absolutely. And Deepak Reddy, that's a question that many are asking. After all these crashes happen, how many people are investigating and where is the transparency in bringing out those reports? I mean, people are increasingly using aircrafts. These private aircrafts have almost become like Uber taxis going from one place to another. How is the regulation happening? Are we upgrading the regulations that are supposed to be done, not just of the hardware, but also the people who use it? These are questions where there is no transparency. And in the last few crashes, we don't even have a report so far.
Navika, the civil aviation minister, has come before the press and has clearly explained what has happened. You know, when the aircraft was reaching and the visibility was poor, and that is probably the reason. And all the data related to this incident has been collected, and a detailed investigation would be done. So that is something which has been assured from the government side and the minister's side. Yes, as Anand just said, we need to look into the details and come up with probably better procedures. Now that's something which has to be looked at, and I think 100% it would be looked at in that manner. And going forward, definitely, such things should not happen. Is what all of us would be expecting.
Well said. we're waiting for those reforms to take place. But Vivek Srivastava, I come back to the question. I have a problem with people precluding. Visibility kam thi, tabletop, there was a problem. There is no radar, there is no ATC present in Baramati. The ministers made some statements and Mamta Banerjee has made statements. On all sides, are we precluding the conclusion? Are we getting ahead of ourselves? Because the investigation will reveal what the real reason was. But Mamta Banerjee obviously doesn't want to wait for that. Not just about this plane crash, she's also put all the others. She's also put the spotlight on all the other opposition leaders कि भाई पता नहीं इनका क्या होगा. Is this irresponsible politicization of a plane crash?
Very irresponsible.
What is responsible? Ahmedabad crash, 8 months down the lane. Nothing has come out. कुछ नहीं पता क्यों crash हुआ, किसने किया, क्या fault था. Is it not irresponsible? The nation wants to know. There was a very senior former chief minister sitting in it. There were so many people, citizens going here, going there, family member, children, women. ये irresponsible नहीं है. और अगर हम पूछ रहे हैं कि साहब तहकीकात करो तो वो irresponsible हो गया. आप बीजेपी आ जाए and I urge the BJP, I appeal to the government, please come forward, issue a statement and say that yes, this is the record time and we are going to tell you what was right and what is wrong. And why is Dr. Ranganathan saying don't investigate into a conspiracy theory? Why not? There could have been a conspiracy theory. May not be by the BJP, maybe somebody else. Why not investigate it? So let the government come. And yes, I want the BJP to come on record and say we are putting the doubts to rest. और अजीत पवार फैक्शन के MLAs को कम से कम बीजेपी तो नहीं लेगी अपने अंदर. ये मैं राजनीतिक आदमी हूं और मैं राजनीति की बात कर रहा हूं.
Why should any undertaking be given to you, Vivek Srivastava? Who are you? Shaina NC, they want an undertaking that the BJP will not take Ajit Dada Pawar's MLAs.
Who is he? But who is he?
Yes.
Tell me, who is he? Why should there be an undertaking to anyone? This is nothing but low-life politics.
Because if there are doubts on the credibility of the BJP should complete.
Them, Navika. What are they alleging? They are alleging that the government of the day is after
Why doesn't the BJP come clean
their own alliance
and issue a statement?
Please, just shun them and shut them up. Please shut them up because we don't need you today on a day when the entire state
so the BJP should not investigate.
Somnath Bharti ji, then questions about the conspiracy theories of Madhav Rao Scindia's plane crash, Sanjay Gandhi's plane crash, YSR Reddy's plane crash. Why don't we revisit all of them? After all, there could be conspiracy in all of them. Why only stop at the recent ones?
See, I think
Navika, can I just make one limited point?
Coming to you, Shaina.
With every, when you're in power, your responsibility goes up by many folds. So you'll be questioned. So why are you running away? You should come forward. And Anandji was saying that no, this was not the plane. Some other plane was there. Bhai Sahab, you're not the person in power. Let the government contradict my statement. Who are you to contradict my statement? So please, the air travel became so insecure.
No, Somnath Bharti ji, may I just put the facts straight here? The government has put out an official statement in which these points are clarified. This is an official statement in which the points are clarified. The 2023 plane that broke into two halves has a different registration numbers from the plane that crashed today. Facts cannot be questioned, no? Whoever is making them, Anand Ranganathan, ab facts pe bhi problem hai ki kaun bol raha hai?
No, this is what Somnath ji wants, and I all along have
clarification.
Somnath ji, please. This is what he wants. He is asking you to never call me.
Source क्या है clarification का?
No, एक second, Somnath ji, please. मैंने आपको interrupt नहीं किया. Navika is asking you, please do not call.
No, how can he clarify on behalf of the government?
Because he exposes my fake narrative. Now he's saying government should come up with a clarification. Arey bhai, the clarification is already there, not just from the government sources, but from every other reliable source that this wasn't exactly the same plane. Now you're saying unless the
Show me
duplicate,
which
the
source.
president signs it,
Quote the
duplicate
source then.
it to you would believe that? Somnath ji, please.
Quote the source then, sir.
Source are the records of the earlier plane and its registration number and the registration number of the plane crash today. That is the source. Facts that exist in the public domain. Now, Shaina NC, how does one explain to them that facts are facts, they are not fiction and they are not theories as being floated by the Aam Aadmi Party and the Trinamool Congress?
You know, Navika, honestly, this is the desperation of the Trinamool Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party. If they can stoop so low. Today, Ajit Pawar ji is 66 years, 6 months, 6 days and has been the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra 6 times. This is what we should be discussing in today's debate. Has this accident happened? Yes, it has been a terrible tragedy and I hope we have a great learning from it. All the facts in the public domain, which must be done. But look at the way they're positioning it, as if the government of the day has nothing better to do than go killing people for their own political gain. Is that really how low they have stooped to? And I want to ask Mamta Banerjee ji, if she is so apprehensive about her own political future, will she go to any extent only to hog limelight? And to the lesser known Aam Aadmi Party and the little bit that's left of them, at least now, today, acknowledge the fact that there are lacunas in the system. We need to work collectively. All leaders need to take their own safety seriously, as do
what
we
is this
on
lesser known,
the
better
prerequisites
known?
that have been
Are they here to humiliate us?
DGCA.
What
But
is,
you
what do they
are
think? Which
going
faction do they belong to?
You
How
are
better
going
they are
to
known?
any extent on a
I mean,
day when the
Aam
whole
Aadmi
state
Party
of
is the national party,
Maharashtra is
madam.
mourning. The
Don't be
whole
mistaken.
state of Maharashtra is mourning, and I
Don't be
wish you
mistaken.
would have the dignity to mourn too.
I need to
Ajit
respond
Pawar
to
is
this.
not some ordinary leader.
Lesser
As
known.
I said, today is his 66
चोट
years.
से आपने आम आदमी पार्टी को लेसर नोन बोला है ना. सोमनाथ भारती जी is in a twist. Yes, सोमनाथ भारती जी, 30 seconds.
See, the problem with these spokespersons is that they want to be completely egotistic always.
Oh.
So Aam Aadmi Party, which is a national party, we have become national party in 10 years, madam. I don't know how many years you have been in the
All
politics.
right. Okay,
So
there
your party
goes
better know.
political ego before any investigation in the plane crash. That's the way the cookie crumbles. We did a snap poll. And the question we asked people of India, Ajit Pawar's plane crashes, opposition hints at conspiracy. Looking for opportunity in crisis? Yes, say 77% of the people. No, say 17%. Don't have a view, 6%. 77% of the people are looking at this as an opportunity once again to create politics. I mean, does the leopard ever change his spot? Do politicians ever think of anything else other than politicizing even a deep tragedy like the one we saw today? I don't know. Sometimes we the citizens of India just get so exasperated कि भाई कभी दो आंसू तो बहा लो, कल की बात कल कर लेंगे. We leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists.